Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. This video, as the title shows, I got two rotor elements that I'm going to balance. Let me just show you them quickly. And here they are. They are series 616s, two cast iron rotor elements, and like I said, they're the same models. It will be interesting to see how much they differ out of balance. And yeah, let's check. And one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to mark them so that I know which one is which. I'm going to mark them on the shaft, I think, over here. No, over here, I think I'm going to mark them. This one I'll mark A. And this one I'll mark B. Just in case it comes off, let me put another mark on. This is just to differentiate between the two when I'm balancing for the data pack. And next I'm going to put obviously my spray on here and my little tape, piece of tape on each end, and then we start. Okay, she's virtually all set up. I'm actually doing B first. Doesn't really matter if I do A first or B first. She's on the machine, sprayed up, and a little reflector tape is on at the back. Okay, let's just see how unbalanced it is. Okay, you can see a rock in there. So it looks like the weight is at the back here. Okay, let's put it on the machine and see in weight how much is off. Well, if I say machine, I actually mean computer. So let's go. Alright, I've got the end stops on as well. Same that side. Just put the belt on and fire up. Okay, so I've got the spinning. She's up to balancing speed. Let's print it. Okay, this is the unqualified one. Let's just check it out quickly. B, yeah, so it's 132 at 36, 145 at 215. This is unqualified. No good. Let's get this thing too good. Right. Okay, so this is B coming up to speed, going to its balancing speed. You can see there, it's quite center. This one is good to go, so let's print this one. Okay, let's do a side to side here. Okay, let's just do this quick side to side. As you can see, this was B, same job. This was the unqualified one. Year was 132 at 36 and 145 at 215. Obviously, when I brought it down to qualify, I was 164 at 146 and 162 at 256. So this one's all good to go. So let's start with A. Okay, so that was B all done now. I'm going to move to A now, but for all the newcomers to the channel, I thought I'll just mention, if you haven't seen my previous videos, I also thought I'll just mention that in order for me to get from an unqualified to a qualified state, I actually grind off material where the machine indicates I must grind off. And that's quite long. In this video, obviously, I'm editing it to bring it into its shortened form. But to do one of these units from an unqualified to a qualified state takes about 2.5 to 3 hours. So that's quite a bit of grinding on various places on the impeller, which I will indicate to you later on in the video, like where I grind off. And then I get, after taking all that off, like I said, I get it to the qualified state. So yeah, it takes about 3 hours per unit. Anyway, I'm waffling on. Let's do A now. Okay, so that is B all complete. You can actually see where I've done all the grinding to get the balance. Next is A, that's going to go on the machine. Okay, so A is on the machine. I'm just busy putting in all the relevant information here and then run the machine.
Yeah.
Okay, let's print that. Okay, so this is A in its unqualified state. It isn't as bad as what B was. It's just compared to B in its unqualified state. B, you can see B was in the 100s. This one is 50 and 57 grams. So this one isn't too bad. Okay, let's get it in the qualified state. Okay, so as you can see, 57 grams must come off this plane, which is this one here, and that must come off that plane there. So let's just turn it first. So if I turn here, as I explained in my other videos, if I turn here, that cursor moves there. You can actually see it moving there. So yeah, let's just mark it and start grinding. I just stopped A on the machine and that's what it came out, 0.59 and 0.35. I'm going to print it now and then we'll do a comparison. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, so here's the side by side of A. You can see A and A. When I started it was 57 and 49 at those degrees there, and I finished off 59 there and 0.35 there. So she's good to go. Let's just bring B closer This was B's qualified 1 year, 0.64 and 0.62, whereas this one is 0.35 and 0.59. And the unqualified one for B, you can see there was 132 and 145, and this one I brought down to this one was the unqualified one. This one is 57 and 49 when I started. So these two is good to go. Let's take them off the machine. Okay, so here they are back side by side, A and B, all balanced up. This is where I grinded on A. She wasn't as bad as you saw. A couple of spots, that vein there. This one was quite bad. She took a lot of grinding. Alright, so they're all done now. Now I just clean up all those things. I will leave that there so that the customer can see what is A and what is B. I'll just clean up the shafts again, take all these things off, and go and deliver them. Good old thinners rag. Just spilled thinners on the ground here, but okay. She's getting clean now. That one I cleaned already. Okay. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's A and B fully dynamically balanced. Also at this stage, I'd like to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate your subscription. I really appreciate your time rendered to watch the videos. And if you find the videos somewhat entertaining or even a bit educational, then I'm happy with that, and I feel that's my job done as such. Also, I'd like to tell all the people that's new to the channel to go back and look at all my other videos regarding balancing and stuff. In there I do explain in more detail as to how I go about taking all these measurements and stuff to input it into the computer. You know, those are a bit more lengthy videos. I think they're probably one, two, or maybe 3 parts. I'm not too sure. So yeah, you can go back and view those videos. Other than that, all the other ones I try to cramp into 15 minutes. I squeeze them down, albeit that it takes me a good few hours to do. But I hope you enjoy these cramp videos. And whilst you're at it as well, if you haven't subscribed and you're watching this video, please think about subscribing to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any other videos. And leave a comment if you want. If you do glance at my homepage, you'll see that I do some automotive content as well. There's plenty of those to come. I have quite a bit in store for that. And every so now and then I'll put in a balancing video with something that I haven't shown in the past. But please tell me if you don't mind me showing things that I've shown in the past already, just as some more content, because I kind of feel that since I've shown you once, I don't want to show it to you the second time, or I don't want to show you the third time. It's like being a bit too repetitive. So if you want me to keep on going at the way I'm going, please put a comment down and say, you know, state that you don't mind me showing more balancing videos, albeit that I've shown you something similar in the past. But other than that, I'd like you to enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for now.